guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little bit of a redo. I'm going to be sharing my Bottega Veneta unboxing. If you've been following me, then you know this is a redo because I've already unboxed this item. However, I ended up exchanging that item and now I've gotten a new one. I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna do a first impressions review of the item as well as talk to you about pretty much customer service and all that since I had to do the exchange. Let's just get into the unboxing and review. This is the packaging you receive when you select gift option online. I was told over the phone by a customer service representative that this packaging is different from the packaging that is issued in boutique. I thought that was interesting because when I first received the item and I saw this packaging, I immediately noticed that it does differ from packaging I've seen in boutique. So they did clarify that. I think that's quite different. Most brands kind of have a uniform presentation to represent their brand. FYI, that is the note about the packaging. This is also the gift packaging. So I've also learned that if you do not select gift packaging, your item will arrive just in the dust bag. That's it. I'm getting to the unboxing, but this is just kind of a review of my entire shopping experience with Bottega because this was my first purchase with them. So one thing I would like to know about the Bottega packaging that you receive on the website, this is like a thick rope. It is not like a ribbon or a flimsy, you know, material. This is like a thick, almost like a giant shoelace. So I'm calling it a rope, but it's a giant shoelace. So I'm sure if you love this color, you can repurpose this for something. I haven't really given it any thought on what I'd use it for. But it is a nice size. And I'm sure that's something you can style even within your clothing, wardrobe, or like I said, repurpose it for some reason, especially if you are a fan of the color. Get into my unboxing and take this off. So it just slides off and here it is. You do get this card that has this basic kind of order information online. But here's the box. Now the box is nice. It is a flip top box, so this is something that I would keep and reuse. I do enjoy packaging because I reuse them for certain things in my home. And here's the item in its dust bag. Here's the dust bag. No surprise, you guys already saw this. This is the Bottega Veneta mini Jodie bag in the color parakeet. Let's talk about the color. This is still not as bright as the original color that I was considering, which was the acid kiwi color, and that I featured it in the shopping vlog that I did. I'll link that up so you guys can check that out. But in that shopping vlog, I tried on the acid kiwi color. I was exploring that color initially. Then when it came down to it and I decided to pick the bag up, I went for the parakeet color for a few reasons. The acid kiwi color is super bright. It's a neon like green. Beautiful color. But I do feel like it's very summer. It's very June through August. It's, for me, for my wardrobe, for my style, I think it was not a color that I'd wear into the fall or winter months. And I have to be mindful when I'm adding any item into my wardrobe. For me, I like to be able to know that I'm going to be maximizing my use out of it, and cost per wear is something that I really take into consideration when I'm purchasing luxury goods. That's why I opted not to get the acid kiwi color, only because I felt like it was limiting me to simply wearing it throughout the summer months. I thought this color was still very bright and vibrant, but it was deep enough to still carry me through fall months and winter wardrobe. It has that richness in the color that I think would be a little bit more versatile for my wardrobe. I really wanted this to just be a fun purchase, something to kind of spice up my wardrobe, something that will offer me a popper color and be a little bit more playful and fun. I think the style really contributes to that. It's handheld bag, which is super different for me. I usually go for crossbody bags, or I love bags that have the option of handheld but also has a crossbody strap. Handheld bags. I rarely carry my bags handheld. So this was, again, a little playful, definitely a little fun for me. But again, I think it's deep enough that it will work for me in the fall and winter months, but also work with me with my very neutral wardrobe. Going back to cost per wear, I like to invest in more solid classic pieces that I know would be really good cost per wear. So I don't even play with color that much in my handbags. Yeah, this is completely spicing it up for me and doing a little bit of a pop of color and something fun. Interesting enough, this bag comes with gold hardware. So it has just, the only hardware on this bag is the zipper pull, but it is quite substantial there, and it is gold. And if you guys know my style, my personal style, I don't wear gold accessories. I don't like gold hardware. I don't do gold. This bag, again, is breaking that rule. I mean, because it's just the zipper pull, I was like, really? You're not going to have fun with a new bag because of a zipper pull? So I kind of overlooked that. But interesting enough, this bag has gold, you know, the gold zipper pull, gold zipper, which is not really my vibe, but I think the design of this bag prior to this one did come with silver tone hardware options. So if you are looking for this bag pre-loved and that's the thing for you, silver versus gold hardware, I know you can find them on the pre-loved market in silver tone hardware. So let's just take the stuffing out. With this little envelope card, let's open it up. And it just says Bottega Veneta there. Little kind of care booklet. Let's read it. You know I like a little good reading session, so let's read it. It says, the Bottega Veneta product you have chosen has been made with quality materials and is the result of meticulous Italian craftsmanship. Variations in tone and any irregularities are to be considered unique characteristics of the product. But again, I'll say it's any irregularities. It was unique characteristics that I did not like on the other one. To maintain the quality of this product, we recommend handling it with care and avoiding contact with liquids. Store the product in the protective bag supplied in the box and away from sources of direct light or heat. So yeah, that's the care instructions and the little booklet there. And then the inside of the bag is leather lined, which is very, very luxurious that this is a full leather bag inside and out. The only bags that I have like that are full leather bags are my Chanel Classic mini rectangular flap, as well as my Celine box bag. Those bags are fully leather inside and out. And now this one, so I will say that is very luxurious when you have a full leather bag. So you just imagine with time and use, this is just gonna slouch and become so buttery soft because it's full leather. The leather is already soft and very pliable, so with use it's just gonna soften up even more, and I cannot wait for that. Inside, kind of stamped inside, it says Bottega Veneta, made in Italy. There is a tag on the inside of the bag. You have to kind of bend it inside. It says Bottega Veneta, made in Italy, and it says originality certified, and then a set of numbers that I guess will tell me when this was made. But this is what the bag looks like unstuffed. I think the design of this bag is super cute. It reminds me like of a little nugget or something. I absolutely adore this bag. It's like the cutest thing. If you did not know, this has been on my wish list for over 2 years. I started eyeing this bag in 2019 going into 2020, and I was like, absolutely not. That's silly. I'm not gonna get that. 2 years later, joke's on me, because here I am with the bag, and the price has significantly increased since I originally started eyeing this bag back in the beginning of 2020. Funny story, guys, there was a price increase happening. Had I waited one more, I did not know about the price increase or anything. It was so wild. Like the price, literally, I purchased this the day before they had a price increase, and it was a significant price increase. I think the bag went up about $250. If I had waited one more day, this bag would have cost me $250 more. That would have sucked. I am so grateful and so happy I got my order in just in time for my first time shopping Bottega. Like, I don't know how often they have price increases. I'm really not hip to like Bottega, like the way things go. So I don't know if they have like frequent price increases. I do know the price of this particular item, because I've been kind of, you know, paying attention to it, has increased significantly within the last 2 years. So this bag has had several price increases. I think this is a bag that, should I wear it, use it, have my fun with it aside, it's not something that's going to remain in my forever handbag collection for whatever reason. Maybe I get sick of the color, or, you know, sometimes you just over something. At least I know I can resell it and really make out pretty good with the price as the price continues to increase. So that kind of means I'll probably be able to get at least most of what I paid, if not exactly what I paid for back. So that is a plus if this is a bag that you're considering. That is really important to consider when you're a person who, you know, tries luxury items, as I do. It's nice to know that if I use this, if I wear it, I can still cash out if I want to and decide this isn't for me. So far, I have been loving the bag. I'm glad I made the decision to finally add it to my handbag collection. I will definitely share more in-depth review over time. This was just my first impressions review of my shopping experience at Bottega, my initial first impressions about the bag. Now, I wanted to circle back really quickly to a comment I made before about shopping in boutique at Bottega. Because Bottega is so hot right now, I went to their Soho boutique, and there was a line outside to get into the store, which I'm really not a fan of, like waiting in line. It just kind of kills the luxury experience. Waiting outside online like I'm trying to get into a hot club or something, like the It Club. Like, I don't like that vibe. It just ruins the mood for me with luxury shopping. So, but they're very busy, very in demand right now, so it happens. And I still got that vibe once I got into the store. I was trying colors. I was trying to, like, the sales associate was polite and all. I just didn't feel like I was getting the level of service I'm used to at other high-end fashion boutiques. Yeah, I'll just say that. It was a little like, kind of like, here's the color, you want it or nah? Like, that's it. They're like, we're not answering any of your questions. We're not giving you a tour of the store. You want it or not? That was pretty much the vibe I was getting in store. Like I said, they were very polite and all, but it definitely was, you can just tell they're very in demand. There was a line outside. So that was my experience in store. That was my unboxing and first impressions review of my shopping experience at Bottega Veneta. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section below. And until next time, guys.